Kitty, kitty, mew, mew, stick your head in. Yeah, I just insulted Her Royal Highness. I'm out of here. Hey, what's up there, YouTubers? Black Xana here, and welcome back to another Random Builds review. For this video, we are going to be reviewing is the blue lion that we just built in our previous video. And as you can see, there she is. All built, spick and span. Well, almost. So anyway, blue lion is kind of like the number 4 lion, as you can see right here where it's her number. I'll bring out to the camera just a bit so you can see. And currently, back in the series, this particular lion was piloted mostly by Princess Allura, but there was also one pilot before. I think it was a Sven. I'm not really sure. I'm not that pro-versed in the original 96. No, it was the 86 series. Excuse me. But in any case, I do like how this turned out. So, combination feature in the back. Of course, we'll be doing that in a much more later video when all 5 of these are built. And detail-wise, I do like how this turned out. The stickers were a bit of a challenge. I'll give you that. So anyway, articulation for Blue Lion. Sockets are pretty much on ball joints, and some of them do have a few stress marks. I kind of fear they may crack or break in the process when we get to the transformation part in the much more later video down the line. But hopefully it won't be that too bad. Again, I just hope. You also have articulation of knee and like wrist bends in all 4 paws and legs. Same goes for the rear. And does take a bit of doing. They tend to get a bit stressed or stiff from time to time. So there's your paw bend. And since I'm moving a hind leg, you can well, let's see. I guess you can try to get her to sit or something. Speaking of sitting, if you want her to be laying down, come on. Almost folded right in there. Okay. I think we got something, sort of. And trying to get these to pose does take some doing and a bit of a struggle. And I'll just put her head down like so. So it looks like she's about to pounce. Sort of. There's also articulation in the tail at 2 points. You can try to fold it in, but that part is mostly for a leg mode. But again, I do like how she turned out. Now, if you're not comfortable with this sort of head, take this off real quick. You do have an option to go alternative. So her combination head is slightly more bigger than the one that was currently on. And again, this is more of an option on how you want to play. Same head joint, I think. So if you want to go for a much needed classic look. And of course, both mouths do open. Okay. Come on, I know you can open. There we go. There's one. And again, this mouth does open. Same with this one here, even though it's a bit smaller. Come on, open up for me. Okay. Guess I'm cheating a little. Grabbing my tweezers. I'm going to open this real nice. There we go. That is a wide mouth. Well, a wide opened mouth. And that does say something. Now there's a big difference between the two heads, so I'm going to take our alternative head off. And that would be, there's a small connection hole in the smaller head. And there's a reason for that. Since this one doesn't have it, and this one does, I'm going to put our alternative head on to the side. Reattach. And see about putting her back in a standing stance. Okay, come on. Again, this does take a bit of some doing. Okay. And the reason for that, for one, is that she comes with a sort of a mouth blade of her own. And there's a peg. That'll just go into the hole right here. Once you have that into place, close up the mouth, and it's almost like she's about to attack a roe beast. Of course, this is not the only accessory she comes with. She also comes with, let's see if I have a look here. Okay. Alright, start with one. She does come with one shoulder cannon. And a triple barrel motor cannon. Just attach them on like so. And now it looks like she's armed to the teeth for combat. Now, I really don't know why they don't plug into the rear parts of her legs, but I do have to say it looks okay. It looks nice. In fact, I do think it looks pretty much cool. Of course, her weapons are part of a much more bigger weapon when the 5 lines are combined as a Voltron, for the Minipla version at least. And speaking of legs, she does come with 4 unique caps. Now again, this is for when she gets into leg mode. We're not going to be doing any transformations here. They do cover up the parts where the legs are. As you can see, get the box real quick, and I'll just place her to the side. Okay. Raise up the camera a bit. There we go. As you can see right here, Voltron does have those caps on Blue Lion, which we will get to use them again later video when all 5 lines are done. So. And just lower it back down a little more. So, and again, I do think that this model turned out pretty impressive. Now, if only I can keep those stress marks from cracking, despite this being a 2018 model set. Oh well, I'm sure I'll learn somehow. Okay, so before we end this video here, now that we've got Blue Lion out of the way, it's time for another hat draw. And of course, my eyes are going to be closed on this while I shuffle it. So let's see what lion we get to pull out and do next. So here we go. Okay, our pick this time is... Oh, who do we got? Yellow. We get to do yellow next? I kind of hope for either black or red. Okay, I seem to have jinxed myself. Alright. Well, at least this is being fair. If it was me peeking at what I was looking into, then that wouldn't be fair at all. Alright. In any case, I'm going to end here. And I'll see you guys when we build up Yellow Lion. And this is Black Xana saying Tower deactivated. I'll be back with many more good videos. Please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications if you haven't. And I'll see you all until next time. Bye. Alright there, Bumblebee. I have an important mission for you and... Wait, where in Cybertron is Jazz? Jazz? Not a word, Prime. Not one word. Okay then. Bumblebee, I'm sorry to do this, but with Jazz indisposed like that, I'm gonna have to assign you a temporary partner.